solve the equation, the absolute value of 2x minus 5, which is equal to 8. So let's take a look. Here is our problem. So before we can use any definitions, we need to make sure that we have the absolute value isolated on one side of the equation and a constant on the other side. Now, since it's already isolated in this an example, now we can take a look at the definition and decide which case that we're going to use. Well, in this case, you can see that we're going to be using case number 1 because it satisfies that scenario. Okay, so what this means here is that we're going to let x, so the equivalent form tells us that we need to let x equal the value of k, or x is equal to the value of negative k. So basically what we're going to say is this is the first step. Second step is to write down the two equations. So we have 2x minus 5, which is what's inside the absolute value. That's equal to negative 8. Or 2x minus 5 is going to equal positive 8. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to solve those two equations. So we're going to add 5 to both sides for the first one. So we end up getting 2x, which is equal to negative 3. And then divide both sides by 2. And then x is going to equal negative 3 over 2. Or over here, we're going to add 5 to both sides. And then we get 2x. 8 plus 5 is 13. And then divide both sides by 2. And therefore x is going to equal 13 over 2. So here is the solution set. So we have the solution set, which is negative 3 over 2, comma 13 over 2. Let's go ahead and put that answer and check here. So here we have the solution set. We had negative, and that's 3 over 2, comma 13 over 2. Check our answer, and there is our result.